back again with another video. It's me, a Save by the Stylist. So if you girls need to get saved, you know what to do. You can hit me up on IG at Save by the Stylist, and I'm going to jump right on into the video. As you can see, I am using the Mizani 25 Miracle Oil. She does have her hair washed already, and with this oil, you have to be very careful and use it sparingly. Because it can be kind of heavy, and with her type of hair, you don't want the oil to overpower the hair. You still want it to flow. You don't want it to be too full of products. And then you also saw me using the Chi Straight Guard. Now that's something that I just added to my collection of products, and I'm just trying to see how it works. I was at Marshall's the other day and just browsing through, and I saw the Chi Straight Guard, so I thought I'd give it a try and see how it goes. So I'm going through the phase where I'm just knotting her hair up into little bantu knots, and I'm gonna do probably, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sections. And if you guys watched my previous videos on silk press, then you'll understand why I do these knots. I did get this technique from a friend of mine. Her name is Princhelle. I'll put her link in the description below so you guys can check out her page. But basically, the knots is to stretch the roots out to its maximum capacity while sitting under the dryer. Sometimes, if I don't have enough time to let the clients dry, then the roots won't be stretched out as much as it possibly could be. In this case, unfortunately, she only sat under the dryer for about 15-20 minutes, and she did not have her head all the way in the dryer. She's a little short, so I went ahead and still just blow dried it. It was still dry, but not as dry as I would have liked it to be. But nevertheless, her silk press is still going to come out very nice and silky. And you guys also should know, if you don't know, into sections, especially when blow drying. It just makes the blow drying experience much smoother, faster, easier, less tension on the hair, no breakage, no tugging, no pulling, anything of that nature. It's just very smooth because I've already sectioned it out and combed it through, and all I gotta do is just go through and blow dry it. So now you guys can see how her hair looks once it's halfway blow dried. And actually it's already fully blow dried. I thought the front part wasn't, but again, sectioning her hair because I'm getting ready to press out her hair section by section. This part goes by pretty fast, so I'll just start off by using my 1-inch Babyliss flat iron that I got a few years back. This is, again, my go-to flat iron. It catches the roots really well. It's slim, it's skinny, I love it. If you guys don't have one, you need to get you one. I don't even know if they still sell it. They probably do, but I got mine like over 4 or 5 years ago, and it's still holding me down. That's my Houston. Hold it down. We gon' hold it down. If y'all don't know that song, just Google it. Hold it down. Houston, Texas. And you're gonna hear it. So anyways, back to the video. Like I said, I'm just going through her hair, sectioning it, and pressing it out, and moving right on along. Guys, if you are new to my channel, I just want to welcome you. Thanks for giving me a view. You know, I appreciate you guys being here. Appreciate you guys subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, this is the time to do so. And also hit that bell so that way you can be notified whenever I drop new videos. Still trying to figure out what my routine would be as far as dropping videos. Just trying to get in the swing of this YouTube thing. So, yeah, I just really appreciate you guys for being here and supporting me. And if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, then please leave a comment below and I will be happy to get back to you guys on that. Okay guys, so now that everything is fully straightened, I'm gonna go into trimming her ends. And I did cut off about a good 2.5 to almost 3 inches of hair on her, just because it's been so long since she's had her last trim. So I wanted to make sure that she got a nice healthy trim that'll last her for, you know, a couple months before she needs to come in. And everyone's hair is different. You know, you just have to pay attention to what your hair does. If you're starting to get a lot of shedding, then chances are that means you need your ends trimmed. So as you guys can see, I'm just cleaning up the ends here. I do see it's kind of crooked, so I am gonna fix it. That's why I kind of have her holding her arms out just so I can have like a flat surface. I also like do my whole picture taking thing because I just want people to always see where they started off from or started off at once they've become a client of mine. So this is her starting point again. She just turned 12. So happy birthday. And yeah, I'm just going in through her head and just trimming the inner exterior or inner interior. Interior or exterior? It's interior. Yeah. Of her head. So guys, don't judge me. I don't need y'all coming for me in the comment section. But you get what I'm saying. So just going through, just trimming some more of those dead ends off and letting go of those raggedy ends. And I'm just going to continue to trim her ends all the way around. And I know I got my elbow in the way, guys. I apologize about that. Sometimes it's hard filming on your own when you don't have a cameraman. So sometimes this happens. But I am just framing her face and just getting rid of whatever loose ends that I didn't catch before. And making sure that both sides are equal to one another. And really, honestly, like in the front, I'm not even really taking off much of anything. I'm just really just cleaning it up. So you can call it dusting the ends, because this part isn't a full trim. So she did have a lot of split ends. And so if, as you guys can see, I'm just kind of like doing like this chafing kind of cut where I just cut whatever split ends that's sticking out on her hair. I just kind of go upwards and cut that off. And if you guys flat iron hair and you see a bunch of ends sticking out, that can be due to so many other things like braids. Sometimes when they cut it at the end or burn it or whatever, you know, it causes split ends. So I'm just kind of just taking some of those split ends off, because that'll be the first thing to frizz. And so I do use that 25 miracle oil and just kind of run it through her hair also, so that it can help with the frizzies and not allow it to expand. It just puts a little weight on it. But again, guys, be very careful with that oil, because if you use too much, the hair can be very oily. So just be mindful. So yeah, I've basically like completed the style. Like I said before, it was her birthday and I was just super excited to just do her hair, and she was so excited to get her hair pressed out, and she was the most pleasant client that I have ever had. She's such a sweetheart. And look at her. She looks so cute, looking like her mom. And she loved her hair. And, you know, you can see her all into it. And, yeah, guys. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.